Hey everyone, if you're ready to take your outdoors space to the next level, you're going to love today's feature. This is the YITAHOME 6-piece patio furniture set. It's stylish, durable, flexible, and packed with smart details. Let's dive right in. This set includes 2 corner chairs, 2 armless chairs, a lift top coffee table, and an ottoman. That means tons of ways to customize your layout for any patio, backyard, or porch. The color? A beautiful gray gradient on the cushions, paired with hand-woven all-weather wicker, giving it a modern yet cozy feel. The frame is made from a strong powder-coated steel, making it tough enough for the outdoors while keeping it light enough to move when you need to. One of my favorite features is the layout flexibility. You can create a cozy L shape for conversations, spread it out for larger gatherings, or even use the ottoman as a centerpiece table or an extra seat. Whether it's a Sunday barbecue, a birthday party, or just your daily coffee spot, this set can easily adapt to fit the vibe. The lift top table really sets this set apart. Instead of bending over a low coffee table, you can easily pop it up for eating, working, or even a game night. The mechanism is super smooth, sturdy, and clicks into place solidly. No wobbles, no worries. Now, let's talk about comfort. And wow, did the YITAHOME deliver. The cushions are thick, plush, and supportive. Perfect for spending hours outside. They're soft enough to sink into, but firm enough to give you great support whether you're sitting upright or lounging. And bonus, the covers are removable and washable, which means no stressing about dirt, spills, or rain splashes. This set isn't just for show, it's built to last. The all-weather PE wicker resists fading and cracking, even after long sun exposure. The frame has a rust-resistant coating, and the cushions are made to dry quickly if they get wet. Maintenance is a breeze, making this an ideal set for anyone who wants a beautiful space without tons of upkeep. If you're ready to create a beautiful, functional outdoor space that's built for real life, relaxing, entertaining, working, the YITAHOME 6-piece patio furniture set hits all the right notes. It's stylish, versatile, durable. It's everything you could want for your deck, backyard, or patio. Check out the link below to grab yours and start transforming your outdoor living space today. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.